my colleague for the time. I rise in strong opposition to H.R. 3, but definitely not in opposition to stem cell research, indeed not in opposition to embryonic stem cell research. And that's the position, my colleagues, of this president and most of the Republicans in this House. It's not an issue of being opposed to research on embryonic stem cells, but it is an opposition to research that results in the destruction of human life. Certainly, if you ask the American public when they look at this picture on television, if they would be in favor of embryonic stem cell research, if you could help this man, or even more compelling, our colleagues in this body, Lane Evans and James Langevin, the answer would be a resounding yes, 80%. And I think maybe I would be one of those who would be inclined to so vote. But on the other hand, Mr. Speaker, if you held up this picture, snowflake babies, and asked them, would you be willing to support embryonic stem cell research if it meant the destruction of these lives, or not giving these lives an opportunity to ever develop, I think the answer, the statistics would be completely reversed. Now, the members in this body, some are strongly pro-life, some are mostly pro-life, some are slightly pro-life, and some are pro-choice, whether we're Republicans or Democrats. But I think most of us would say, well, we're pretty much opposed to abortion, and we wish there were no need for abortions. Well, we have an opportunity with H.R. 322, the Bartlett bill, of which I'm a very proud original co-sponsor, to do it another way. To do research, indeed to obtain embryonic stem cells without destroying the embryo, either through a biopsy or through using embryos that have no chance to live. We can get viable embryonic stem cells. And the point is, we don't have to divide this body in this nation. We have lots of things that we can argue about legitimately in a friendly atmosphere, and that's the way it should be in this body. We've got members, a Republican and a Democrat, Mr. Castle and Ms. DeJette, who are very popular members and very persuasive. They're very committed to this issue. But we've got a better choice. And now with this research from Wake Forest utilizing amniotic cells and the provisions within the Bartlett bill, H.R. 322, let's give that a chance. Let's give life a chance.